Hello and welcome back to our channel MHD Makeup and Health Tips. With Eid just around the corner, it's time to pamper ourselves and get that radiant glow for the festivities. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a simple yet effective homemade facial using ingredients commonly found in your kitchen. Let's get started. Bas and Face Mask. This traditional remedy has shown remarkable results for many. Have you had the chance to experience its effectiveness yet? For this face mask, you will need gram flour, besan, 1 tablespoon, yogurt 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder, haldi, a 1/4 teaspoon. Combine gram flour and yogurt in a bowl, ensuring thorough mixing until a smooth paste forms. Next, incorporate turmeric powder into the mixture, ensuring even distribution. Apply the paste onto your face, allowing it to dry completely for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Finally, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Our next facial treat is a banana face mask, sure to leave your skin glowing with instant radiance. Banana face mask, perfect for instant radiance. For this face mask, you will need 1 ripe banana, 3 tablespoons rice flour, 1 teaspoon honey. In a bowl, mash a ripe banana until smooth. Blend in honey and rice flour to create a silky paste. Apply this nourishing mask to your freshly cleansed face. After letting it dry for 15 minutes, indulge in a gentle facial massage before rinsing it off for a refreshed and glowing complexion. This face mask can be applied whenever you feel like glamming up for special occasion. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this DIY facial tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Wishing you all a joyous Eid filled with love and happiness. Until next time, take care and Eid Mubarak.